Hello children. Today we will do the addition table. But first, we will follow up a little bit the previous multiplication table. There, multiplication table. Multiplication table is their point of intersection where they meet like 1 times 1 equals 1, 1 times 2 equals 2, 1 times 3 equals 3. Like that. 1 multiplied by another number except 0 is equal to itself. Like 1 times 9 equal to itself, the 9. But not 0, because if you multiply 1 to 0, it will become 0. Okay, children? 1 times 10 equals 10. Any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the number. So, here in 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 6, 3 times 6, where they meet like this, 18. 6 times 8, they met here at 48. Just go back to the previous videos and you will find the explanation on how they meet. That's the multiplication table. 6 times 8, they meet here, 48. 9 times 7, 9 times 7, here's 7 here. So they meet in 63. So 9 times 7 equals 63. So in reverse, division. This is multiplication. In reverse, division. So division is the total, the equivalent divided by the two number. Like 64, the two number is 8 and 8. 8 times 8, they meet in 64. So 64 divided by 8, the answer is 8. So 63 divided by 9, the answer is 7. 81 divided by 9, the answer is 9. That's the division. In multiplication, your equivalent value is the first number that is asked in division, because division is the first asked is the larger number divided by the smaller number equals the equivalent of the smaller number to, because the two smaller number is the multiplied value of division. Like 9 and 9, the equivalent of that is 81. So if you are in division, 81 divided by 9 equals 9. So 36 divided by 6 equals 6. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. So remember that, children. Okay, now we will do the addition table. Addition table, you make graph like this one, 10 horizontally and 10 vertically. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So vertically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then outside the graph, this side, the left side, you will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then the upper side, 1 here, and the you write 1 to the upper side. 1, you count 10 also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then if you we will form only addition table in 20. So if you can count, master the counting of 20, then it follows 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 up to 100. You will master first the 20. So first is it's just like you're counting 1 to 10 here. If you do the addition table here, you will write this is 1, so you will write here 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. If you want here also, you will count, that's 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. If you want here also, so you have already 7, then followed by 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 17. If you want to start here also, you count 3 4, so next is 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. If you want to complete this graph, 10 followed by 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. The largest number is 20, so you master counting numbers up to 20. This is the addition table. If you master this, then it follows 21 and so on to 100. If you want to complete this column, you have there 2, so 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. If you want to complete this column, 9 followed by 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. If you want to complete this column, 5 followed by 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. If you want to complete this, if you do horizontally or vertically, it's the same. Just count 1 to 10. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Here also 3 followed by, what is the number following after 3? 4 5 6, then 7. Here, what is here? 8, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13. We will complete this now. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have 20 here. Just like this is just you counting 1 to 20. If you do the addition table, 5, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here, if you want to complete this vertically, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This one vertically, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, it's completing. 6 followed by 7, then 8, 8, 9, 10. This one, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one horizontally, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, you see our addition table counting 1 to 20 is finished. Now in multiplication, you can do that also here, where they meet. 6 addition, we are in additions. 6, this 6 plus 8. Oh, they meet here. 6 plus 8, so they meet in 14. Oh, the answer is 14. 6 plus 8, the answer is 14. 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, they meet here. They meet at 14. Oh, like that. It's just multiplication. Oh, 5 plus 8. Oh, if you can't say the answer at once, just look at the addition table. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8, they meet here, 13. Oh, that's the answer. Okay, so if we have addition, if you have multiplication, it's inside also the division, because larger value divide by smaller value equals the other smaller value. So in addition also, there is subtraction also. So the bigger value 16 minus 8 equals 8. 14 minus 14 subtract to 5, you will subtract 14 to 5, so the answer is 9. Like that. It's just like the multiplication and division. This one, addition and subtraction. So 20 minus 10 equals 10. 16 minus 9 equals 7. Okay. You remember that, children? You master this counting 1 to 20. This is the addition table, and subtraction is inside of the addition table also. It's like multiplication, the division is inside. Addition, the subtraction is inside the addition table. Just the reverse. You add, then equivalent, and the equivalent less the number is the other number. So addition and subtraction is inside the addition table. makikita nyo na dyan, you will see the subtraction. Thank you again. Thank you again, children, for watching the video. Please subscribe and share, so other children will hear and watch the difference of multiplication table and addition table, and the partnership of addition to subtraction, and the multiplication to division. Multiplication and division is inside the multiplication table. Addition and subtraction is inside the addition table. Thank you for watching. Like and share, subscribe. More power. I am Team PASOOT. Good morning. Good afternoon. Bye.